Hello, subscribe to the channel. Watch the video until the end to understand everything. Leave a like.
Extinct animals, some giant and frightening. We can say that today, humans are the dominant predator on the planet. However, we held this position for a relatively short period of time. We'll reveal to you extinct animals that were much larger and more frightening versions of the ones we know today. Arctodus, the giant bear. Arctodus, or the flat-faced bear, is a type of extinct bear that inhabited North America during the Pleistocene epoch.
Did you know this bear could run up to 40 miles per hour? That made it one of the fastest land carnivores of the Pleistocene.
This animal was one of the most recent creatures on the list, as it could be found up to 11,000 years ago. Despite this, its size is worthy of prehistoric animals, reaching up to 3.5 meters in height when standing, and it is estimated that it weighed over 1,000 kilograms. Andrewsarchus, the giant wolf. This animal lived during the Eocene epoch, approximately 45 to 36 million years ago, and was a giant carnivorous mammal. Paleontologists suggest this predator could have weighed up to 1,800 kilograms, making it the largest predator among land mammals. Deinosuchus, the giant crocodile, is an extinct animal similar to modern crocodiles and alligators, and lived between 80 and 73 million years ago. Measuring up to 12 meters long, this giant alligator had large, sharp teeth, capable of killing and eating sea turtles, fish, and even large dinosaurs. The quagga, scientific name Equus quagga, is an extinct subspecies of the plains zebra. Once very numerous, quaggas lived in southern Africa, and unlike other zebras, had stripes only on the front half of their bodies, while the back was a solid brown color, a zebra with stripes only on its head and neck, with a brown back that resembled a horse's. The quagga lived on the plains of South Africa and was declared extinct in 1883 at the end of the 19th century. Resurrecting the Thylacine, Colossal announces plans to de-extinct the Tasmanian tiger. The American company, Colossal Biosciences, which operates in biotechnology and genetic engineering, has announced ambitious plans to resurrect the Tasmanian tiger, Thylacine, extinct since 1936. The animal in question is the Tasmanian tiger, also called the Thylacine, Thylacinus cynocephalus. It was not exactly a tiger, but a carnivorous marsupial native to Tasmania, Australia, and New Guinea. It became famous for its stripes on its back, which resembled those of a tiger, but its body more closely resembled that of a wild dog. The thylacine was an apex predator in its ecosystem, feeding on small kangaroos, birds, and other animals. Unfortunately, it was heavily hunted by European colonists in the 19th and early 20th centuries, who considered it a threat to livestock. The last known specimen died in captivity in 1936 at the Hobart Zoo, marking its official extinction. Today, the Tasmanian tiger arouses enormous fascination in both the scientific and popular worlds. Some claim to have seen living individuals in remote regions of Tasmania, but to date, there is no concrete proof. Therefore, modern biotechnology projects, such as those of the company Colossal Biosciences, aim to use preserved DNA and gene editing techniques to attempt to revive the species in the laboratory, a process known as de-extinction. This animal is a symbol not only of the loss caused by human action on nature, but also of the hope that science can correct past mistakes.